we talked about the importance of change management, but there's a real lesson learned about stickiness. And I can tell you, we struggle with that even today. So what I mean by stickiness is we go in and we prove out a technology. We go in and we actually impact EBITDA. We went into a sold-out plant, okay, and we put data historian technology in, and we put alerting technology in, and lo and behold, we demonstrated a 17% increase in productivity in that one plant. That's real, sellable, new product that we're able to build due to productivity. We went to the second plant to roll out the same technology, and something peculiar happened in the first plant. We lost the improvement to EBITDA. We went back to the old ways of doing business. We went back and looked at the plant, and some of the devices that were there were just collecting dust. So it goes back to this concept of change management. I can't overemphasize the importance, okay? We proved out the technology. We had consultants, we had a great team, we had management bought in, everyone was there. But when we went to the next plant, the workforce returned to their old behaviors. So the importance of having measurement systems and accountability systems and understanding how do you make change stick is the only way that you can have sustainable value, long-term value that's accretive to earnings. The fact is, this technology can be very threatening. It is by its nature, it's disruptive. And so if you don't actually address that early on, whatever gains you'll make will not last. And so the role of the evangelist is to tell the stories, to make sure there are believers, but also to make sure that change management occurs, that there's a systemic change in the organization, and the impact to EBITDA is long lasting.